Welcome to Mapme. Let me show you how to create beautiful interactive maps with no coding. This is your Mapme editor. Let's start with the map overview. Adding a title, a description, and a logo. You can see your work in the preview area. Now let's add some locations to the map. You can include a description, images, videos, and even 360 media. The map view can be adjusted for each location. Let's add a few more locations. You can check how your map looks on mobile. You can publish your map to embed in a website or share on social media. Of course, there's a lot more, like categories, 3D buildings, and advanced customization. Give it a try, and if you need help, ping us with the chat button.